In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to mass inactivate and reactivate, as well as swap or bid shifts when viewing multiple location schedules at a time. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on Teamwork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected, then choose Schedules. You should arrive at your organization/day view. Notice that this is a Saturday. Let's say there's a big game happening this night, so the evening employees want to all swap their shifts. To place those shifts on the swap board, select the 3 evening shifts. And notice next to Update in the top menu bar is a blue 3. That's letting you know how many shifts you have selected. Then choose Update. To place these shifts on the swap or bid board, select Swap/Bid. Then choose where you want to put them. I'm going to post these to the swap board, so I will select Post. And now those shifts have been placed on the swap board. Let's say that this after-hours restaurant decided it's not worth it to stay open during the big game, so I need to just inactivate the shifts. I can select those 3. Then choose Update again, and select Inactivate. TeamWork 5 is going to ask you for a reason. If I click this arrow, I can choose Close Early, Inclement Weather, Open Late, or Slow. I'm going to choose Close Early. If you changed your mind and you don't want to inactivate these shifts, select Close. I do, so I'm going to choose Submit. And now those shifts have been inactivated. Notice they have been grayed out, letting you know that they are inactive. If you changed your mind or the manager decided that they do need to be open, you can reactivate these shifts by selecting the 3 again and choosing Update, then select Reactivate. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to reactivate these shifts. If you don't, click Cancel. I do, so I will choose OK. And now those shifts have been reactivated. That's how you can mass swap or bid and activate and reactivate shifts when viewing multiple schedules at a time. Remember, anytime you do this, you can only select shifts at the same location. To learn more about your TeamWork 5 account, check out the next video.